Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top health news. Court orders rupees 3.4 lakh payout after overturning bariatric surgery claim rejection. The Surat Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission has ruled a favor of a 42-year-old patient ordering an insurance company to reimburse rupees 3.4 lakh for a rejected claim related to weight loss surgery. The patient from Daboli, Surat underwent bariatric surgery for morbid obesity in early 2022, paying rupees 3,39,691. He filed a claim under his valid rupees 5 lakh flouter Mediclaim policy, which had been active since 2010. The insurer Kolamandalam MS General Insurance Co. Ltd. rejected the claim, arguing that the patient had not yet disclosed his obesity when purchasing the policy, stating he suffered from obesity prior to the policy's inception. They claimed that the patient had been obese for 3 years before the policy began, citing an investigator's report. The patient's legal representatives countered that there was no prior treatment for obesity and all the insurer had no grounds for the rejection. After considering both sides, the court ruled in favor of the patient. It stated no details on the obesity were sought during the filing of the proposal form. The insurance firm also failed to prove that the complainant received treatment for obesity before commencement of the policy. Even after these facts, the company rejected the claim based on non-disclosure of the facts. This is the deficiency in services on the part of the company which is liable to pay the claim. The court ordered the insurer to pay the claim along with 2,000 for harassment and legal expenses. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.